great question. I mean, the report's been in progress since October of last year, so this has been a fairly lengthy assessment and study, and it's involved many, many partners in the community to bring all of these recommendations together. You know, the timing, of course, we wanted to make sure the information is available to council so that it helps inform their decision, and it helps inform the community's decision-making process. There's no specific recommendation that Economic Development Lethbridge is making as an organization. Again, our job is to bring information to the table, engage with our partners and our stakeholders in the community, and I hope that some of those ideas kind of bubble to the top and that there are some priorities identified. We'll be using it particularly as we work on our next 4-year business plan. You know, are there 1 or 2 of those major catalytic projects that are a priority? Well, perhaps we as an organization will take 1 or 2 of those and champion it, just like we did with Tech Connect 5 years ago.
Right.
You know, that was a project that the organization felt was important. We sought government funding, helped make it happen. Well, maybe one of those 4 projects is the next thing we'll go and work on to become the next Tech Connect success story.